In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage participants during a Google Meet session. Whether you're hosting a team meeting, a class, or any other type of gathering, controlling the audio can significantly enhance the experience for everyone involved. So let's dive right into the steps that will help you mute all participants in your Google Meet. Start by going to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Meet in the search bar, or simply entering meet.google.com in the address bar. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to sign in to access the features we're about to explore. Now that you're on the main Google Meet page, go ahead and set up your meeting or join an existing one where you're assigned as the host. Once you're inside the meeting, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you'll find an icon that looks like a padlock, which represents host management. Click on that and it will open up a section dedicated to the host controls. It's essential to make sure that the host management toggle is turned on. This will give you the necessary control over the meeting settings, including muting participants. The toggle is your switch to turn on host privileges, so make sure it's enabled before proceeding. Next, locate the People icon, which is also at the bottom right corner of your screen, and click on it. This action will open up a sidebar showing a list of all participants currently in the meeting. It's a handy feature that allows you to track who's present and, most importantly, manage their audio status. Now here's the crucial step. With the participants sidebar open, look towards the top of that section. You'll see an option to mute all. Clicking this button will silence all participants simultaneously, removing unnecessary background noise and allowing the meeting to proceed without interruptions. This is particularly useful in large meetings or classes where participant audio can sometimes become chaotic. And that's it. You've just successfully muted all participants in your Google Meet session. By following these straightforward steps, you're able to maintain an orderly and focused meeting environment. Remember that participants can still unmute themselves if they need to speak, so it's a great balance between control and flexibility. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Google Meet sessions more effectively. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and good luck hosting your next virtual meeting.